ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra, resin, current starting price examples, $3.99, ELEGOO site press coverage shows Saturn 4 starting $2.99 and Saturn 4 Ultra around $399, bundles vary. Quick verdict, if you're into resin miniatures, jewelry prototypes or ultra-high detail models, the Saturn 4 Ultra is a generational jump from older mid-range MSLA printers. The product pages, ELEGOO Plus retail listings, advertise a 1016K mono LCD, very high XY resolution, a large 8.33 x 4.66 x 8.66 inch build area for a resin machine, tilt release VAT Tector speed peeling, smart tank heating, and blistering max speeds, up to ~150 mph for some modes. Customer ratings on Amazon pages sit in the mid 4-star range with thousands of buyers, and ELEGOO's own store often lists bundle pricing that includes resin and accessories. In real use, the Ultra shines on detail, fine creases, hair, and engraved text come out crisp in ways filament printers can't match. The tilt flip VAT is genuinely helpful for faster and cleaner prints. The 16K display gives very fine XY fidelity, and automatic leveling AI monitoring features reduce fail prints. Downsides: resin handling, safety, ventilation, post-wash and cure, is a step up in complexity versus FDM, and the initial investment is higher than entry resin machines, but the quality and speed are obvious if you need top-tier miniatures or prototypes. If your projects demand high resolution and you're comfortable with resin workflow, the Saturn 4 Ultra is one of the most competitive options right now. Prices and bundles move a lot, so check the live product page for the best deal, and as always, we share buy links in the description box.